but I feel like my inner size. I already talked about sizes. Cool, people are already unsubscribing. Inner spirit and soul. I feel like just like a kid, I feel so happy about life. I like look at clouds, I'm like, ah, clouds. I feel like when I was like 27, 28, I was like, I'm gonna be 30, like, ugh, rest in peace. R.I.P. that, hey, I'm 30. And there's nothing to do. I thought that was what my life was gonna be. But honestly, like, I feel like now I'm in my 30s, I'm like, the best. It's all just a mindset, honestly. Life is just a mindset. It's how you interpret life and how you go about life, and if you radiate that positive energy, it'll come right back to you. So this video is just gonna be thanks from my friends and my family. So I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start with my family first. I'm like so thankful for everything. Okay, the very first item is this PiinkSparkles bag. And this stuff is from my mom and my dad. So the first thing that my mom got me these, some clothing items. These, good for working out. I've been working out lately. They look like this. They're just like really good workout pants. I'm excited for those. This reminded me super 60s vibes, don't you think? Like, look at this. Ah! Like, look at the colors. It looks like wallpaper, like in like Halloween movie or something like that. Like Friday the 13th, like the original ones, like what they would wear and getting chased in the woods. They're like, ah, I'm in my striped, ugly colored shirt. Like, but I really like this. I loved how stretchy it was. I feel like the horizontal stripes are gonna make my boobs look huge. And we live for that here on the PiinkSparkles channel. Don't wait. And then last but not least, my mom got me this from Garage, and it's this really hard on the eyes. Don't you think? It's like, come to me. It's like, ugh, hypnotic, kind of. Again, horizontal stripes. My boobs are gonna be popping this summer. My mom got me this mask because I've been wanting a pretty mask for a while. I'm definitely not gonna wear this one when I have makeup on because I don't want to ruin it. The answer is yes. This is so cool. My mom was like, it was dramatic and it reminded me of you. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, I love how it has the nose thing where it can like form to your nose. So this is what the mask looks like. I'm like showing my nails. I also bought myself these nails for one of my birthday presents. So the jewels on here, they're Swarovski crystals. They were almost $350. So I love that. It's so pretty with all the sequins. And then it has this chain that looks like this. I'm thankful to get anything on my birthday, honestly. Like, this is so cool. And this is something I wouldn't have bought for myself. This I really appreciate because it's so dramatic and cute and I can't wait to wear it. All the rest of the stuff is stuff that my mom and dad got me together. Oh my god, money's coming out of here. I got money. I completely forgot. Hey, I'm eating good tonight. I usually don't show cards. I got a lot of cards this year for my birthday. I think I got like 6 or 7 cards. And I appreciate those because I keep them all. But I have to show you this one. It says, happy 29th birthday again. Turning 29 is kind of like sex. No matter how many times you do it, it never gets old. And neither do you. True. Okay, so also my parents took me out for supper. We went to a place called Philosophy in our city and I got like a cotton candy drink. I vlogged it on the vlog channel if you guys want to see it. The link is down below, but it was a really nice time going out with my family and being able to just like relax and just hang out. And it was such a good meal. I got this gorgeous chicken meal and it was so yummy. Okay, so my mom and my dad wanted to do something different for me for my birthday for a present. They got me money, took me out for supper, and then those previous gifts, I feel like that's like way more than enough. My mom and dad wanted to do something different on top of it, so they went to Market of Asia and they got me a bunch of snacks because they know that I love things like this. I'm gonna show you guys these first because these are freezer things. So I just took these out right now and put them in here just to show you guys for the video. So I'll just go through these really quick. I love snacks. I love trying foods. I love like different foods that aren't your typical like Canadian snacks because I'm Canadian. Well, they honestly killed it. Light cheesecake, a green tea frozen wafer sandwich. Let me know if you guys want a taste test on these. White cookie sticks and some green tea Pocky. This is Korea's #1 brand, so I'm like, woo! I just turned down the brightness a bit. I feel like it was overexposed a little. Hello Kitty chocolate cookies. Hello Kitty marshmallows. They're filled with chocolate. I had some of these in my Hello Kitty collection and I just put them in the collection for years, so they got hard, so I never got to try them, so now I get to eat them. I forgot my dad gave me asparagus out of his garden. That's what stinks. That's what's moldy. I completely forgot. This black tea latte, and it comes with a little straw right here. This I love things like this. Okay, these little muffins are so cute. Cream flavored cake and chocolate flavored cake. These things are so adorable. Okay, this was so cool. So this is chocolate rice pudding. Look at it. I'm gonna vlog this whenever I eat this. I want this right now, but like I have so much to do today. 2 drinks, a Thai flavored bubble milk tea drink, and then this is a chocolate milk. It's chocolate milk. This is so good. Okay, now lastly, there are a bunch in here. See all of them? Like lots of them. They have like all these emojis on the top of them. Do you see all that? There's tons of them in here. Star Cup, chocolate and biscuit. So that's what they are. So this one in particular has the alien emoji on it. So you can see that there are little wafers in there. I should just do a taste test on this stuff. So the next thing is from my brother, and he got me a Starbucks gift card. He didn't even fill it out. It looks like this. It has like cakes all over it. It's so cute. I'm gonna use this when I go out right now. Happy birthday. I got you this card because it has a cute little puppy on it. And I know you like cute little puppies. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna sign the thing now, okay? Oh, cards. My friend got me this little delivery here. This little mug with a big smiley face, and I can reuse this mug. And it came with all of these chocolate. There are so many on there. They're just like mini little tastes, which is so good for me. Everyone knows I love sweets. Like I just love candy. If you're in doubt, if you're getting me a gift, get me sweets, get me chocolate. I love it all. I was so happy for this. She is such a sweetheart, and I cherish everyone in my life. My other friend rang my doorbell, left a card with some Cheez-Its. So it was a very good birthday present. Also, my one friend took me out for supper. Another friend gave me a big bottle of vodka. My other friend gave me champagne, hung out with my friends, rented a hotel room, chilled, you know. Well, I posted one picture or a video too of me and my friends shaking our asses. But other than that, it was like cut social media, just like hang out with my friends, and just like drink and have a good time. And it was really fun. That was another thing that was amazing. So those things I don't have, they're all gone now. Oh, they all go home. Okay, then I got this because apparently this matches my, I've been laying on it. I'm just like making sure there's no like makeup on it or anything. This matches my living room because it's like mint. I want to change it. I'm like so bad at interior decorating, like so bad. Honestly, it's just not my forte. I suck at it. But this is a nice addition. So it says I love you to the moon and back, and it says the same thing on the back. It's a really soft pillow. And then lastly is from a special friend, and the first thing that they got me was this pillow, which you guys have seen, and a few people have asked me where I got this. This is from the Miniso. It's a little avocado. Actually, it's a big avocado, and he's skinny. Usually avocados are shaped like me. Body shaped like a Coke bottle. He's not. He's like, I'm skinny. And he's got the little seed right here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Love him, and he's so soft. So that's been in the background. The finale and the best thing, oh my god, I was floored, blown away, was this. It's gonna be hard for me to show by myself. This is the most personal, heartfelt present I've got, and I cried when I got this. Oh my god, here we go. Okay. I thought, a big tube, I thought it was gonna be like a poster with my face on it or something like that. Or me like paired up with like Ski Mask the Sump God or something, but no. But no, it is the movie poster for Amy's movie. I'm being so careful with this. Ooh, sorry, I really don't want to wreck this, guys. But like, I'm the actual movie poster, and it was shipped from England. From England. Amy, there she is. My beautiful queen. My beautiful queen. I can't. I do not know where I'm gonna put this. I just was talking about like, it's in like perfect condition too. So this wasn't, like a print or anything like that. This was the actual movie poster that was up in the theater when Amy came out. From a theater in England, and if you do not know, I love Amy Winehouse, and I'm gonna get that framed, and I do not know where I'm gonna hang it. Maybe in my office, maybe in my makeup room, I don't know, but it is absolutely stunning, and I was blown away when I got it. Like, I was floored. Like, what? Was not expecting something like that at all. That was everything that I got for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. From friends and family, thank you guys so much for the birthday wishes. You guys are so incredibly sweet, and I appreciate you guys so much. And remember that your life is special and beautiful, and you are worth it 100%. And if you're having a bad day, there's always tomorrow. I love you guys. Bye.